Hey y'all, welcome to a special episode of Cooking with Lubu. I'm Lubu. I am here at the Battle and Brew Kitchen. I'm going to show y'all how we make a burger, and hopefully if you're local or if you're in Atlanta, you can support us by ordering via our curbside service or through delivery, Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, Grubhub, whatever is available to you locally. We hope you support us. We're trying to keep this thing going and get you guys some fresh burgers and food. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a burger. The way we make a burger is we take two patties, put these down. I'm going to push them down just a little bit. Just going to push down. Just like that. Some salt. Pepper. We're going to let those cook. In the meantime, you can go ahead and set up your bun, put butter on your bun, set out your cheese, set out your shaved onions and your pickles, things like that, so that they're ready for you. You're going to want shaved onions, 4 pickles, 4 pieces of American cheese, and a buttered bun, and then you will be ready to go. Alright, so we're going to use the Chefy technique right here. This is the Battle and Brew technique. We're going to take the burger, we're going to flip it over, I'm going to put the weight on there, and then I'm going to spin it about 45 degrees. And I'm going to get a nice smash on that. All right, we're going to smash that burger, spread it out, so that we've got a nice spreaded, smashed burger. Then we're going to take our bun, which we've already buttered. We're going to put it face down on the cold side of the flat top. We're going to take our shredded onions. These are like ultra finely thin onions. We don't want these on the flat top itself because we don't want them to cook like that. We want them to be steamed on top of the burger. We're just going to put the onions directly on top of the meat. We're going to put our cheese on top of that to seal the onions on there. We got 2 slices of cheese per burger. I'm going to move this one closer here. And then we're going to put our lid on top, just like that. And we're going to shoot a little bit of water under there. And that's going to steam under the flat top. That's going to get steam up in there, and that's going to melt that cheese, and it's going to steam cook the onions on there. We're going to let that go for a second. Make sure that if you are not used to working with a flat top, or if you're not used to cooking in general, be careful with using your hands. I switch gloves all the time, but also just be careful with the heat because you're probably not used to picking stuff up off a hot onion. We want to get just a little bit of cooking on those buns and the burgers, and they're going to be awesome. Alright, so once the buns are cooked, we're going to pull these off of the flat top. Again, be careful. Use whatever it is that you need to use, whatever utensil. This is our secret sauce. It's ours. You can make your own secret sauce at home, or you can just use, whatever you buy at the store. But I'm not giving you our secret sauce recipe. Sometimes you got to goad it out. You got to convince it to come out. And we're going to grab 4 pickles. And those go on the top always. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna open this up. Look at that. Look at that meat and cheese and onions. I'm gonna stack these on top of one another. Just like that. Ah! I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna move this over here to a cooling rack. We just want this to sit for a second. We're not gonna put it right on the burger. Alright, so once we let the burger cool for a little bit, you can see the cheese has melted and trapped those onions in there, which is awesome. I'm just going to pick this bad boy up. There we go. I'll put this right here. Boom. Double stacked cheese, onions, pickles, sauce. I'm going to take a nice little skewer here and punch it. And that's it. That's how we make a great burger. That's how we make the Classico. We're making these right now. Curbside service, Tuesday through Sunday, 4 p.m. to, we accept orders up until about 8:30. Please, if you're local, help us out. Put in an order. The number is 678-560-1500, and we'll be making you burgers for Sandy Springs and anyone else who wants to come pick one up curbside. And this is Cooking with Lubu, and I'm Lubu, and my brother Adam is here. And we are more than happy to make food for you. So thank you for supporting us. Quick little cross section for you just to show off the meats, cheese, burger. Oof. There you go, perfectly cooked smash burger. I'm gonna eat all this. This is mine. But that's just it. It's just that simple. Thank you.